think it was something that dated back to the Roman Empire, but the fact is, external fixation devices, when you ever have a fracture, you can either treat it by cast just externally, but you gotta have a fracture that's not unstable. Or you can operate on it and put stuff on the inside, or you can put some pins from the outside trying to hold it together.
Are you going to want a wrist brace for him too, Dr. Brand?
And we'll need a wrist splint.
Wow, look at that.
Okay.
Kind of wild looking, huh?
That's freaky.
There's my arm.
Okay, we got show and tell here.
Yeah, we got kids.
Oh, I guess the first thing I need is this.
Wow, those are just nuts and bolts, aren't they?
Goodness.
That is interesting.
That's too big.
Looks
Yeah,
like a
that
number
should be in there.
6.
There it is.
You'd have to just bring the toolbox with you, huh?
I know. We've got these tools.
Yeah, when I was in my residency, we would go down and get a Black & Decker drill to be used in the operating room because it was a lot cheaper than some of the ones, and better than some of the ones we have. But now we got real fancy ones that are sterile. Black & Deckers didn't last very long because when we autoclave them, you put them in that heat and it tends to destroy them.
That is so cool. You just have nuts, and those are some fancy lock washers.
Okay.
Wow, it's like a drill
Yeah,
bit,
you gotta
huh?
pretend you're on vacation or something like that,
Yeah?
that you're handling it pretty good. It's pretty, it'd be virtually impossible to
Whew.
put these things in without anesthesia. But taking them out is generally
It wasn't too bad.
not bad. These in the hand have the most sensation.
It did.
There's more nerve fibers down here than up higher.
That is just wild. Just the old basic toolkit here.